Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are in Sunyani Nana Bosoma market to buy some foodstuffs. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. Come with me and let's buy together. That's always a thing. Yeah, that's why. Back there was 2 6. I'm very sorry I couldn't film the traders because in the early stage of the filming we had a little problem with some of them.
Difference of no there. But when I go on to know about it, I said, I'm going to price. A bit per chain. A bit per chain. Remember, this season.
Thank you. That's
Where upon two? I need it. say.
Where about the back?
You pay you pay you.
Where about the power?
We are him.
Where about the back?
We.
About the back. I know you are some sister.
Small boy. And you will move the dog away. And you will be
Papa, when I started
hey, if it's already myself.
And
you could get the Andy, then two we will show you.
and solicitant here.
This is got the
limit on 25.
As I said, I'm going to be a 25.
When you go,
we knew a tidy of a the mamma can't see Bama. Or can be a child to you, no mamma. What's that? Oh, Debbie.
When you cry, mammy,
I am not okay. Oh, stop it.
I don't think.
What's the price is here for 5? Yeah, yes, I don't mean to show. Yeah, I know. You mean go and take it to women and to for the back. You are not at home. Aha, very good. Women now the grass here will be to them that for months. Yes, sir. I said, yes, sir. I was when we have to phone or the good one to be to be anyway. You have to.
I think you have to swim.
Where you ate your own? I don't know where you ate your
Nobody you radio so. Nobody radio so. Nobody radio so.
Oh, friends, in Kitty.
I'm going to catch it.
Oh, catch it.
I got to buy this off.
Oh, I'm not a year. What are you saying? Can I manage? And yeah, you know, one of me. Miss Woman,
I'm not going to get any sort of Cagalesi to so.
There is it. I 36.
I am possible.
So below solo can attend.
so well, no, I know.
Never me rare wine. No problem.
No, come a G cup. A G cup. Reverend, I make.
It's in the day more cry, Reverend. My baby, I literally
I'm sorry.
Abusiafo ya toye nneoma nyinaa wie ye kofie nti mumasi ne yankwa na menkonko kyerɛ mu nneoma yetimi toye no monhwɛ stores nso na musi wona na Bosoma market no ti wa wohia bi no so aba abaji bi back in the house, and these are all the things we got. We got some coconuts, really copra. These are some beans for our gari and beans, red papa bee, oranges for some juice, pineapple papa bee, ajijino hona abrigu hana mono. And this year they were able to buy it. And we got some apim papa bee, and na pesiebe they be soon fear hana mo. Mo sharp and papa we know baby Gana bayre po na papa bi nso na wa ha no ne bo fofo na ya pantun so for ye fufu papa bi nso nti weekend fufu bi so atadwe so wa hide be atadwe mock we got so many things here banku ye morris wa hide be ka banku and so wa ha no mo na ye fish Mary Marion kase papa bi nso na de wa ha no mo no na fe yesa se enya yenkosia so e be de be chief for our breakfast papa bi so we got so many some seafood salts we got so many things yenya chili peppers garlic we bought a whole lot of things ginger so many things we were able to buy so bolu papa bi so wa hanamo thank you so much for coming with me to make this shopping. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you always coming along. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.